Welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the Objects section. This is Property Assignment. Once we've defined an object, we're not stuck with all the properties we wrote. Objects are mutable, meaning we can update them after we create them. We can use either dot notation or bracket notation in the assignment operator to add new key value pairs to an object or change an existing property. Here we have object spaceship with the property name fuel type. It's being assigned vegetable oil. Here we have spaceship.color is assigned gold. One of two things can happen with property assignment. If the property already exists on the object, whatever value it held before will be replaced with the newly assigned value. If there was no property with that name, a new property will be added to the object. It's important to know that although we can't reassign an object declared with const, we can still mutate it, meaning we can add new properties and change the properties that are there. Const spaceship is assigned type shuttle. Spaceship is assigned type alien. We get a type error, assignment to constant variable. But here we do spaceship.type and assign to an alien. It changes the value of the type property. Spaceship.speed, Mach 5 creates a new key of speed with a value of Mach 5. You can delete a property from an object with the delete operator. Here we have const spaceship is assigned this object with these keys and values. When we say delete with spaceship.mission, it will remove the mission property. Our instructions say reassign the color property of the spaceship object to have a value of glorious gold. Let's zoom out and do that. Run it. We do pass. 2 says, without changing lines 1 through 6, add a numEngines property with a numeric value between 1 and 10 to the spaceship object. Let's do it here. Run it. We do pass. 3 says, use the delete operator to remove the secret mission property from the spaceship object. Let's do that here. Run it. And we do pass. So what we're learning here is how to assign values to our properties. We learned that objects are mutable, which means we can update them after we create them. We're able to use dot notation or bracket notation along with the assignment operator to add new key value pairs to objects and change their existing properties. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.